Hi, this is Richard Milam, Health Compliance Manager for the City of McKinney. Some of my fondest memories in life have been centered around family events with food, whether that's outdoor grilling or holiday meals with family. Here at the City of McKinney, we would like everyone to practice safe food handling practices during these events. Some of the tips that I can offer are hand washing should be the first step in preparing any food. A 20-second hand wash prior to handling or touching food will prevent cross-contamination and foodborne illness. Second is temperatures. Make sure food stay out of the temperature danger zone, which is from 41 to 135 degrees. And poultry products like chicken, turkey should be cooked to 165 degrees. One way to test that is to always have a food safety thermometer and check the internal temperature of the food prior to taking it off the grill or out of the oven. One of the more common accidents we see in holiday cooking is the thawing of the turkey or the ham. Typically the best way to thaw a turkey or ham is in the refrigerator. So what you'll need to do is kind of back plan 2 to 3 days prior to the holiday event. You'll need to take that turkey or the ham out of the freezer and allow it plenty of time to thaw out. If that's not possible, then you can thaw the turkey or ham in a sink under continuously running cold water for a couple hours, and that will help out as well. That's the most common thing that we see, and the reason being is you want the turkey or the ham to thaw properly. The outside of it will start to warm up, and that gives the pathogens the ability to grow on the turkey or ham. The other thing is simple cross-contamination. When you're dressing your turkey or your ham up, someone will lay it on the countertop or on a cutting board, and then once they're done, they won't properly sanitize that cutting board, and they'll go on and prepare the rolls or the other ready-to-eat items on that same cutting board or countertop. If you're going to use stuffing inside your turkey, make sure that you cook the internal temperature of the stuffing to 155 degrees. You've mixed a lot of product together there, and you want to make sure it's cooked thoroughly and properly prior to eating. Once you've done with your meal and you have any leftovers, those need to be refrigerated or put back into hot holding immediately within 2 hours. For more information on food safety and other helpful tips, please check out the city's website.